Now, in the later stages of your rehabilitation, we may have talked about you doing some plyometric work and introducing some impact work to the knee, the foot, the ankle, the lower limb generally. And this, using the leg press, is a method of doing that without us having to take our full body weight. So this is the real benefit of the leg press machine anyway. It allows us to work the body in this closed chain mechanism with very low weights on, and we can then acclimatise the knee and the lower limb to loads in a gradual way before we start to do full body weight type exercise. Now, we'll have done a lot of strength work to this point, and this will now be getting towards the later stages of your rehabilitation. We can now start to introduce some jumps and some bounds. And when we did the slow control strength work, I was emphasising that we should have the pressure through the heels, and that then took pressure off the knee joint. Obviously this position now is going to be lower because the loading is going to be very short duration. We're going to be on the feet, pushing for a very short period of time, but in a more dynamic way. So a double-footed jump would look like this. Drop into here, the weight is on the balls of the feet, push out, and then absorb the landing. So we see the feet leave the foot plate, point to the toes, and then absorb in the landing. We don't want to see a thud as we come in, which would jar the joint. When we're landing, we want to see a really good, soft absorption. And if we've developed the strength properly in the early stages, that should be very evident that we've got the control to lower down carefully. Now, a progression from the double leg ones is to go into alternating ones. So we push off from one side and we land on the other side. Now here we're really focusing on keeping the knees in the correct alignment with the foot, not allowing the knees to deviate in. You can see again the absorption of the landing, pushing fully straight. And the final part will be to do consecutive hops on the same side. You can see here, pushing on the right, pointing the toes, fully straightening the knees and absorbing the landing as we do so.